Polaris just displayed its confidence in the Slingshot earlier this year when it launched an updated version of the three-wheeler. The seats use thermoelectric coolers made of graphene sheets. This is necessary for the cooling feature, since the Slingshot doesn't have an HVAC system that can provide cool air to the seats. This also makes for easy installation, as the upgraded seats, sold separately and individually, simply bolt in and plug in. That doesn't necessarily make them cheap though, as each seat will set the customer back $1,199.99 before taxes. Importantly, since the Slingshot is an open car, the seats are non-perforated, so they are weatherproof. Each of the seats features accent stitching with the Slingshot logo embroidered in the headrest. Both the heated and cooled functionality each feature 3 levels: low, medium, and high. These new heated and cooled seats follow a theme of many Slingshot accessories, making the open car more usable and livable. Since the Slingshot's debut in 2014, Polaris has slowly introduced several add-on accessories. The trike can be altered with a slingshade, roof, windscreens, navigation infotainment units and overnight bags.